Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. First up, we have this gorgeous pixie haircut. I love how she's rocking it slicked back. She looks absolutely amazing. Then we see another pixie haircut. So to me, her hair already looked beautiful. So we're gonna see what the stylist ends up doing with this transformation. So far he is adding in some color. So it looks like she kind of went with like this icy blue color. Very unique shade. Kind of like an icy blue, icy gray. Beautiful pixie. So then we move on to the next one. The stylist gave her this gorgeous jaw length style bob. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a like, and of course hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So then we see another pixie haircut. Looks like the stylist is just kind of cleaning up the hair. Oh, I love the side swept bangs he did in the front. Gorgeous. So then we see someone with long hair, so she's getting some color added. Beautiful ombre blonde. And then we see someone with a bob haircut. Oh, wow. So the stylist gave her a pixie bob, just kind of took her shorter and left the longer bangs in the front. Beautiful transformation. So of course, if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.